I fuck with savages, you a fuck boy, you can't hang. You can find me posted up on Frank Block with my fucking gang. You ain't really bout shit, stay out my spot, don't speak my name, or I pull up on your block at night wearing all black and let that 40 bang. I fucked your girl and I ain't even try you, that little hoe, she a fucking thought. Got her off the molly, now she rollin', all she good for is giving top. I got loud pack, I got school buses, hurry up fam, come and shop. I got a big 40 with a 30 clip and I call that bitch my fucking mind. I got a couple shooters and they ride with me and they down to shoot when it's drill time. Pull up and we get to drum and let 30 shots at that Glock 9. Drill, 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 drill time. Drill, 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 drill. Couple shooters and they ride with me and they down to shoot when it's drill time. Drill, 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 drill time. Drill, 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 drill. Pull up and we get to drum and let 30 shots at that Glock 9. Now it's back to the trap with that 20 sack, rolling up a switch to that straight gas. Got a 50 clip sticking out the max, so that's 50 shots at your goofy ass. Caught a Ferragamo when I was up in sacks with my true religion still off my ass. I got heavy pockets, I got big ass bands, run up on me tryna rob in that 30 black. Keep a bankroll on me at all times, rolled up with a rubber band. Off the lean, that promethazine got me walking around like a kickstand. Keep a bird tucked on my right side, my 380 or my FN. And if I catch you lacking, better pray to God that my shit jam. But if it don't, I'ma take you out like a fucking date. Put a hole in your fucking back if I catch you talking to the fucking Jakes. Drill.